Pages in Shopify are useful if you want to display additional information that you simply don't have space or room for on the homepage. For example, if you have some content for an About Us, you want to showcase some additional photos, some text, and you just don't have enough room on the homepage to put that. Or if you want to maybe have a page where you showcase how your products are made, or even a page that goes over your store locations. These are all things that are very easily created in Shopify, and today I'll show you how to do that. First thing is you'll want to go over to the admin section of your store. Once you're in the admin section, go ahead and click on Online Store and click on Pages. Under Pages, you'll click Add Page. And for example, if we want to set an About Us page, we can go ahead and write About Us. In the box below, this allows us to add all of our content for the page. We can add images, videos, text. For example, if I wanted to add this logo, insert the image. And below it, I can go ahead and just copy this, a little bit of text, just as an example, and we'll go ahead and paste it here. What I've done is I have created a page with an image and text, and we'll just go ahead and preview this by clicking the Save button here. Once we click Save, we can actually view the page on our store. It's just pulling up a preview at the moment. And there you go. Here's the About Us page with all of our content, our pictures. We can make some additional changes if we wanted to, let's say, move the text up a little bit. We can delete some of the additional spacing here. If we wanted, let's say, just to center everything as well, change the alignment, and again, click Save. Refresh this, and we can see it's updated here on the page. Now, if you want to add this to your navigation, very easy. Just go ahead and click on Navigation. Main menu, add menu item, and as a page that we just created, we'll just click on Pages and it should pop right up. It also gives us the ability to position this on the menu however we'd like, in whatever order. Again, we'll click Save Menu, and it should update in just a few minutes here. And we can see that the page is now here on the home page. If we click on it, it'll take us to the About Us page. And it's really as easy as that on Shopify.